Hi.
Hello, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. How are you today, Shubham?
Yeah, I'm fine. I think we have met before.
Yes, we have. I remember you. Uh, yeah, mathematics.
Yeah, you're
Uh,
right. You got it right.
yes. How have you been since we last spoke?
Yeah, I'm fine and I'm enjoying all the journey what I'm having. So, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and
You're
I hope the same
enjoying the
about you as
journey.
well.
Oh, yeah, me too, of course. Uh, so the journey, what journey are you on?
So, I have already spoken you. That means currently I'm in my last year of BTech, that is Bachelor of Technology in the electrical engineering domain. And so, few days are left. You can say 2 months approx. So, currently I'm enjoying my journey of BTech, and after some day I will earn my degree. That is 1.5 month later.
Oh, okay. Oh, so yes, you're well on your career path and uh, good knowledge of abbreviation. By the way, you said approx rather than approximately, and used correctly.
That's
So,
it's sometime effect of teachers as well. So I just really thanks to my tutors as well.
oh well, I hope we can help you as much as we can. So, is there anything specific you would like me to help you with today, or would you like to just chat a bit?
Yeah, you can just ask me specific questions. Some of the Cambly tutors just let me just saw some random questions, and they just wanted my view on that question. So you can go that type as well. And if you want to have a conversation with me, then that's also okay. You can go on.
Okay. Well, I always enjoy free conversation, but obviously, a lot of students probably have the same conversation with a lot of tutors, as we discussed before.
Yeah.
But what I also is I look through the news and try to find, uh, you know, stories that are not pressing, because a lot of the news is full of stuff. But one recently, I just shared the link with you.
Yeah, yeah. So,
It's about a man who a $450,000 lawsuit, an
okay,
unwanted office birthday party. So,
okay.
where you are, well, first of all, do you celebrate your birthday?
Yeah, if you talk me just about my birthday, so I just prioritize the other persons in comparison to me. So whenever it comes to my friend's birthday, then I just behave like active participants, and I just manage and just do all these things for other body in comparison to me. That means I'm not enjoying or found to be too much dedicated towards my birthday. Just I loves to have my friend's birthday, the there some member of my families, anybody so of their birthdays. So I just found myself involved in a very huge reputation for that purpose. So I don't enjoy too much mine birthday when it comes to the
Okay.
birthday party, what you ask.
All right. So you enjoy other people's birthdays, but not your own. Is that what you're
Yeah.
saying?
No, it's not like
Okay.
that, because I want to prioritize the second person in comparison to me. So just I just think it's okay. I'm not going to just celebrate my birthday. It's okay, but yours should be done, and I will just play a important role in yours. So just I I want to live for others, not for mine. So that is basically lead me to the path what I often does.
Yes. Oh, well, that sounds very sensible. But this story is about a man who won almost $500,000 in damages
Okay.
from his company because his company threw him a birthday party that.
Okay.
So, why do you think that happened?
What happened?
Can you imagine?
Can you repeat that?
Well, what reason do you think there was for somebody to make a
Behind
claim
what? So
against their company?
what company did to him? That employee? Can you repeat that one?
Okay, so let me type it. What reason do you think? Oh, sorry, I mistyped. For what reason do you think almost $500,000? So I'm not going to type that. He claimed almost $500,000 against his company. By the way, good collocation, throw a party for throwing him birthday. So I just typed that in. That should. There we are. For what reason do you think he claimed against his company for throwing him a surprise birthday?
So I have not gone through that story, so I don't have any answer regarding this. What you are asking, for what reason do you think he claimed? Because if I had just read the story, then I should be in better position to answer. So I haven't go through the story, so that's why I'm unable. Really sorry for that.
No, that's fine.
You know,
That was
yeah,
just a
because no,
trick question.
yeah, no, I don't just know the theme of the story, what happened in the story, so that's why I'm unable to answer this.
Oh, okay. No, that's good. It gives me an idea of how your mind works. So you like to deal with empirical fact. Uh,
Okay, so
that's
so
good. Like that.
if you no, if you want to answer me in that way, so I can answer. That's okay, because I thought you just suddenly just told me some stories, and on behalf of that, just you are asking this much. So that's why I just didn't hear. So that's why I not replied, or I am unable to reply. So if you ask me about the current knowledge purpose and what I can currently answer to this question, so I will certainly try. That's not any issue regarding that. uh, you have
Okay.
mentioned for what, yeah, for what reason do you think he claimed against his company for throwing him a surprise birthday party? So he may be a important person or employee of that company. So any company is just giving a surprise party to any employee, that means that employee is really mean to the company. So that is the reason why just they just celebrated in the company with a lot of surprise. What I think so.
Okay. So you think the company was what we say singling him out? Let me
Maybe.
put that. Singling him out. So he felt that he was in the spotlight. Oh, another expression. In the spotlight, like a stage actor. Um, he felt perhaps that he was being identified when he didn't want to be identified.
It may be
Uh,
because sometimes.
yeah, I think that's worth half a
Yeah, go
million
on.
dollars.
I don't think so.
Yeah, well, this is where we use the phrase "This is America." They do love
Okay, so
their
what does this
lawsuits.
phrase mean?
This is America. Well, it's not really a phrase. It's just I think in the USA, famous for having lawsuits about pretty much everything and awarding each other
Okay, okay,
huge
that's
sums
why
of
you
money.
said this is America.
Yeah, well, I mean, I live in Mexico, so this is also America. But yeah, in the USA, the United States of America, yeah, they're famous for this sort of thing, which is
That's great.
hilarious to the rest of the world, I think. So let's have a quick read. Are you able to open the link to
Okay,
the actual?
so which link you have already sent? I should open this.
Yes, yeah, it should
Okay, okay,
be
I'm
at the
clicking it.
top of the comments box.
US man wins $450,000. Yeah,
$450,000.
sorry, $450,000 a lawsuit after unwanted office birthday party.
Good.
Can you tell me what is this is a lawsuit?
A lawsuit is when you go to court and you argue against somebody. That's called a lawsuit. So, for
So
example,
why he was going to just court and arguing him? What was the basic reason behind that?
well, that's find out. So you've already hypothesized that he felt he was put in the
So what I think, so that's why I
out.
explained you in that manner. So I don't know the basic reason, but what I guessed or just concluded from that story and what you said. So that was my opinion. It may be different from yours as well. So I just wanted to know what was your take on this.
Oh, I've already read the article. I know exactly why
Okay,
this
so
happened.
I'm eager as well. I'm eager as well to know. So please go on.
Yeah. So let's have a look. So let's just do a quick bit on pronunciation. So I'd like
Okay.
you to read the first two sentences. Just the first two
So
sentences.
you are giving me
Read them
sentences, or
aloud.
should I click the link again?
Yeah, so beginning with a Kentucky man, I just check your pronunciation and your rhythm. So as you speak, I want you to focus on rhythm and emphasis.
Okay. So I should open this link or not?
Yes, yes. Oh, sorry. Do you not have it open already?
Okay, okay. I'm opening this.
Yes, please do. It's just a
Okay,
news
so
website. It's not a virus of any kind, I promise you.
the plaintiff Calvin Burling claims that the unwanted 2019 birthday party at Gravity Diagnostics and caused him a series of panic attacks. Mr. Burling's lawsuit alleged that the company discriminated against him based on disability.
Good. Alleged.
The company has, yeah, alleged. Okay, that's great. Thank you. The company has denied any wrongdoing to the lawsuits filed in Kentucky's Kenton County. Mr. Burling, yeah.
That's okay. Yeah, just the first couple of sentences was enough. We are.
Thank you.
Time to go through the entire thing. You can read that in your.
No, it's okay.
But I would like to present you with a good practice for pronunciation. Now, first you read a text just as, and then you read it holding a pen or pencil in your mouth. Obviously, make sure it's clean. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Remaining. If you hold it like this and try to read it